Hello, happy Wednesday. It's Miss Grace back here, but today we're on a field trip to the old Lowell building in the old school gardens, and I have a very special guest with me. Miss S is here.
Hi.
We are going to take you on a tour of everything that's growing at the old Lowell building. We're transplanting some strawberries today and something called sorrel, which is like lettuce that tastes like lemons. So we're going to take you on an adventure, everything that's growing here at Lowell. And we're gonna have a scavenger hunt for you to do at the end of the video.
Hi everyone. So here at Lowell you can see these strawberry plants have already woken up from sleeping all winter and they're growing in this beautiful bed. But Lowell's going to get a new building, so we are going to take them out of this bed and put them somewhere safe. As long as we keep these nice roots and we put them in some nice ground, they will grow back again and again, so we'll have strawberries at our new Lowell building next year.
So on our 5 senses scavenger hunt, we have to remember, what are our 5 senses? We have things we can see, we have our sight, we have things we can smell with our nose, we have things we can feel with our hands, we have things we can taste with our mouth, and we have things that we can hear with our ears. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna use our sense of taste our sorrel in the bed here. Miss S, what does it taste like?
Tastes like lemonade.
Can you find something
It's
to taste?
delicious.
For our second sense, we have things that we can touch with our hands. So I'm here underneath the tree. Maybe you could find one too. Let's see how it feels. Doesn't feel smooth. Feels kind of bumpy, a little bit rough. How does your tree feel? Next up in our senses are things that you can hear. So I'm over here looking at this bird in the tree. You probably can't see it, but if you listen really closely, you might be able to hear it. Why don't you go outside and see if you can hear anything out in the garden or outside?
I used my sense of sight in the garden to find worms. And I also can see under this board their tunnels. And look at this worm crawling through his worm tunnel. And here's another one. They crawl through our soil and they leave all sorts of really good stuff behind to help plants grow. Look at all of our worms. Do you see them?
Our last sense that we have is our sense of smell with our nose. So I have some dried lemon verbena that was growing here in the garden last year. A lot of spices or a lot of plants, they get dried and then that's how they turn into spices. So let's take a smell. Let's see what it smells like. It's called lemon verbena. What do you think it's gonna smell like? It smells just like lemons to me. See if you can find something that smells good outside. Thanks for coming on our 5 senses scavenger hunt. Now it's your turn. Whether or not you have a garden outside to explore, maybe just step outside, go to a park near you, see if you can use all 5 of your senses to find things outside.